I've been using my cast iron a lot lately, and it's really annoying me. And I read online that I can polish this, and then maybe I won't have some of the problems that I'm having. But it's really annoying when you get stuff like this that's baked in there. I can scrub it, I can do anything, and these just don't come out easily. And the idea behind me polishing this is, if there's no pores for food to get stuck in, well, then there won't be any food stuck in the pores. I just kind of threw everything that I bought on the table here. So we're gonna hit it with 40, 80, 120, and then 220. I don't know where the 4.5-inch guard for my angle grinder went, and the 6-inch one makes it really difficult to get in the pan here, so I took it off, and I'm just gonna be super careful. We're getting there. After the 40 grit, you can see there's still some little tiny spots, but I am okay with that. But I mean, even as it is right now, that's gonna cook a lot better than it was. And you have to keep in mind that cast iron is naturally porous, so if there's a little bit of porosity on the top, I'm fine with that. What I'm trying to do away with is the toad skin of bullshit that makes it really hard to clean my pan. Stage 1, round 2 is done, so I'm gonna go wash this out really, really well, because I don't want any of that grit left over. And then we'll change the wheel to the 80 grit, and then we'll hit it again. These Hercules brand ones come with what they call a quick hub, and it's made of plastic, but it's already threaded, so I won't need this for now. I'm really skeptical about a plastic hub, but there's only one way to find out. 80 grit, baby. That was the label, which I forgot to take off. Okay, well, it doesn't look much different, but it feels drastically different. Last but not least, I'm hitting it with some 220 sandpaper. This guy doesn't really fit in here, so I've been going at it by hand, just trying to polish it up the best I can. Alright, we're looking pretty good. Let's go wash this thing off and season it. I'll skip most of the seasoning, but the idea is you put some oil in the pan, preferably with a really high smoke point. Make sure that the entire pan surface is coated. Then you take a dry paper towel and get rid of as much oil as you can. After that, throw it in the oven for an hour, and then repeat this process. Online it says anywhere from 3 to 7 times. I'm gonna do 5. Now, my seasoning's not perfect. I didn't know you were supposed to put the pan upside down in the oven, and so it was right side up the first time and kind of gave it an ugly pattern, but I do not care how it looks, I care how it cooks. So let's try this thing out. Oh, bro, yes. Just comes right off. Alright, well, experiment complete, and I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with the results. Even just cooking an egg like that would have totally messed this pan up before, and now it just glides off the pan. Even with shredded cheese burnt on the pan, cleans up very beautifully. If you have an angle grinder, I do recommend that you try this out. I recommend buying at least 2 wheels of 40 grit. When you get done with the first one, it's going to be very hard to sand, and the second one will really help clean things up. 1 grit each of 80 and 120 was fine for me. So, I hope you enjoyed this little experiment. I'll be using this pan a lot on my camping adventures, but until then, that's all I got for you. So, as usual, you be good while I'm gone, and I'll see you next time. Have a good week.